Well, today we're looking at a new kit that I've just purchased, and this is from a company called Academy, a Japanese company, and this is the God Phoenix from Gatchaman 2, or as we knew it better in this country, in the UK, Battle of the Planets. You remember Battle of the Planets? See if it's been a long time. Jason, Keop, Chunky Monkey, and Princess Leia. I don't remember. Oh, him. Oh, he was the moody one. Mark? I want to say Mark. But yeah, so there was... Battle of the Planets was sort of a cobbled together show from, I think, a couple of Japanese series. And I think by an importer called Sandy Frank, who used to do a lot of Godzilla imports as well and redubbed them. So they basically redubbed the Japanese program Gatchaman and changed it to be G-Force, which meant it matched all, because on their belts and things they had a big G. Gatchaman, G-Force. So this is the God Phoenix. This is the because there was another ship called the Phoenix, which was more sort of blue and red coloured one, and this is the God Phoenix 2. But very similar idea, and it was a ship that could carry multiple other vessels. Like you can see from this. Let's have a look at the artwork. So, God Phoenix. Look at that, that's brilliant. And you see all the little ships. Moody Mark and the other fellas. And then on the sides, I could run Google Translate, I suppose, and see what this says. I'll give it a go and see what it says. And then this is the model, and it's got lots and lots of features on it. So it all opens up, and the wings fold, and it has flame effects on it for when it turns into the Phoenix. You also get little figures of all the crew and their own little craft, and it fires little missiles out. Actually, they look like they're stuck on, but it makes it look like it does. So let's open her up. It's a nice big kit, very heavy. It's very hard to open a box 100. I'm just going to open it. Okay, so we've opened her up. So we've got various bits of paperwork. Have a look at the paperwork first. So what have we got? Let's have a look. What's this say? Incorporating the LED kit can enhance the beauty of new God Phoenix. I bet it could. You actually get this with it. You get the LED kit for new God Phoenix, which is nice because generally you have to buy these as aftermarket stuff. So you get 2 springs, 2 battery connectors, 5 little LEDs, a switch. It's very nice, isn't it? It's nicely packaged in itself. Let's pop that over there. So that is describing that. Go back over there. What's this? Wow. Warning. Fire and blood. So it's dangerous. So, here we go. Let's have a look. Before starting to assemble, read the instruction manual very carefully. There you go. It's all in very good English, so not at all funny. If you want to know what's on the back, it's just in other languages, same stuff. And then we got the lovely instruction book. It's quite thick. Look at that, it's really lovely paint, isn't it? So let's have a look. There they are, our heroes. Keop he used to talk in the Battle of the Planets, he used to talk in really weird noises like R2-D2 on crack. And there's the God Phoenix, so all the instructions. It's all moulded in colour as well, which is nice. Looks like there's a lot of parts to it. I like kits like this. I like kits with gimmicks. So that's interesting. So the LED kit, sold separately, so it didn't come with. That's weird that they put the instructions in. It's good though. It's clever. You got various clear parts. This is some meaty old instruction sheet. This goes on and on. Opening hatch. Wow. So there is a lot to this kit. Oh, so the battery's going to stand, does it? Or is that the back of the... No, there's the stand. Oh, yes, so the battery's going to stand with the switch. That's clever. That is clever. Right, so it looks like there's lights in the two hatches, the engine bays. That's the missiles, so the missiles look like they're launching. Look at that. That's all the little vehicles going in it. And then you get flame effect, clear flame effect stuff. I don't know, I imagine that's moulded. There's different colours for the bird themed heroes. You get decals or decals. Oh, it's a nice kit, this. So, very, very comprehensive instructions there. Let's have a look at the parts. Apologies for any crinkly noises. So, various bits of the ship. Oh, there's the little figures. Look at that, they're quite small, but they're really nicely detailed. Keop. Princess. Was that her name? Was her name just Princess? I can't remember. Oh look, there's a Capes. That's the Razor Crest, or whatever it was called. Mandalorian ship. Oh, what's this? More paperwork. Check with part list before unsealing. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be sending back to Japan if there's a bit missing. There's a lot of stuff in here. That's all the little wheels, battery blocks. Oh, this is the clear Phoenix parts. They're good, aren't they? The blue parts. Pretty crisp detail. Looks like Treehawk. Look. And then we've got big old sprues of black and red parts. That's the stand, I think. It's going to be quite a big kit. And then we've got a bag of white parts. That's the bottom of the ship. That's the landing gear bays, quite nicely detailed. And then we also got so quite a few decals. That was the G for Gatchaman, but also G-Force. Oh, these are stickers. So you get stickers and water slide. Is it the same? No, it's different ones. That's strange, isn't it? Oh, look at that. New God Phoenix, Gatchaman 2. So what a kit. That is a lot of stuff. So I will do a video of making it up, or process of making it up. I think it's going to be a long-term build again, because there's lots to it. And I've got to decide whether to paint it or make it up in the colours it is. Which will make it more toy-like, but it is, a lot of these Japanese kits are more toy-like. But yeah, I'm so impressed with this. You can get off eBay now. I think I paid $55 or something like that for this, including postage, so not bad. Not bad at all for this style of kit. Japanese kits tend to go for a lot. So yeah, I'm really impressed. I look forward to making this one up. So please like and subscribe. Click the notifications so that you're actually notified when a new video comes on. YouTube is getting very poor at doing that. And thanks for watching. See you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.